Hello everyone, welcome back to my next video. At the beginning of this video, you saw that I am using a tool to help increase the number of views for live streams on TikTok. So if you're live streaming on TikTok but not getting many views, just barely 3 or 4 viewers, then you haven't really understood how the platform works. That is, a live session that attracts a lot of viewers is considered by the platform to have high interaction. For example, there are certain criteria for your live to be recommended. First is the interaction count, like comments or the number of likes. So when that's the case, the platform will recommend your live to more viewers, bringing in more potential customers to watch your live stream. And our software will help your live stream sessions get more interactions by automatically opening all TikTok accounts to watch your live, interact, comment, and send likes. So if you're interested in this tool, make sure to watch this entire video. I will guide you on how to use the software. If you're interested in automation tools, you can contact me through the information here. For example, you can message me on WhatsApp or Telegram. My Telegram is trantayankt. On Telegram, I have a channel. This is my own private channel. Here, I will update information about the software and videos on automation. These are the automation videos. I will also update any promotional programs, so you can join my channel to get daily updates. This is the interface of the MK Pro software. First of all, the software will help you manage an unlimited number of TikTok accounts. You can add hundreds or even thousands of accounts here, and the software will help you manage all of them. And rest assured, when you use multiple accounts on the software device, the software also supports changing the IP addresses of all your TikTok accounts. Here you can attach proxies to the software right here. So when you use 100 or more accounts, you should use a proxy. That way your channels will be very safe and won't be affected at all. That's because all your accounts will have their IP addresses changed. Next, the software includes many features. For example, it can help you automatically post to your TikTok accounts, or you can use it to nurture and warm up your TikTok accounts. And in this video, I will focus on the feature that increases live stream views. So you will select the seeding function section. There are several types here. First, you can increase interaction for TikTok videos, or you can boost interaction for live streams. So I will choose to increase interaction for live streams. Here I just need to enter the live stream link into the software. First, let me go ahead and delete this current entry. Now, I'm going to navigate over to the TikTok application in order to find a completely random live stream link. Once I have found a suitable broadcast, I will carefully copy the specific URL for this particular channel's live stream, and then I'll paste it directly into the software interface. There. Please take special note that you should only extract and use the specific portion of the link that appears after the like mark in the address. Here, just from here. Go ahead and save those settings. Next, you can configure the specific duration for which these accounts will watch. Simply input the desired numerical value into this field right here. For example, I have it set so that each account will watch from 500 to 1000 seconds. That's it. Next, if you want to like the video, just check this box here. That's it. If you want to comment, just check this box for me. And the comments will follow your script, your content. You will enter the content you want to comment here. For example, you could write hello or good or I am Prantai MKT, like that. For each comment, please separate them by a new line. For example, if you want to add more content, just go to a new line. After that, I will save it. Next, you just need to select all these TikTok accounts and then press the start button. The software will automatically open all these TikTok accounts for you. That's it. As you can see on the screen, the software is continuously opening TikTok accounts, and you can rest assured that the software will automatically log into those TikTok accounts for you. Once logged in, the software will take you directly to that live stream link, to that live stream channel, and start interacting just like a real user. There you go. This will increase the view count for this live stream session, will comment according to your set script, and will send likes. So with that, you meet the criteria for the TikTok platform to continue strongly recommending your live stream, attracting more viewers to watch. So you need to understand the nature of the platform. That's how live stream sessions work. Here you can see that the software is joining the view and actually increasing the real viewer count. See, it's already gone up to over 91 views. At first, it was only in the 70s, so this number will continue to rise even more.